Hi, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the first episode of our brand new series, Grammar from Zero. My name is Sarah, and in this journey, we are going to learn English grammar together, step by simple step. I promise you, this is not going to be difficult. You just have to follow along with me. So for our very first lesson, we are going to start with the most important, the most common, and the most basic verb in the entire English language, the verb to be. The name might sound a little scary, but it's actually very, very simple. Think of the verb to be like the foundation of a house. If you learn this well, you can build thousands of correct and useful sentences. The verb to be has three simple forms in the present tense: am, is, and are. Today, we are going to learn how to make positive sentences with these three magic words. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's learn how to talk about ourselves. To do this, we always use the word am, only and always for I. So we always say, I am. For example, I am Sarah. I am a teacher. I am happy. Very simple, right? Now, a very important tip. In everyday conversation, native English speakers very rarely say, I am. They usually use the short form, which is I'm. Let's say those same sentences again with I'm. Listen to how much more natural it sounds. I'm Sarah. I'm a teacher. I'm happy. So remember, I am and I'm are both correct, but I'm is more friendly and much more common. Whenever you want to talk about yourself, your job, your feeling, or your nationality, use I'm. Excellent! Now that we know how to talk about ourselves, let's move on to talking about one other person or one other thing. For example, about he, she, or it. For he, for a male, she, for a female, and it, for objects or animals, we always use is. And just like before, these have short forms too. He is becomes he's. She is becomes she's. It is becomes its. Let's look at a few examples together so you can understand perfectly. Matt is sick. He's in bed. Look at Anna. She is thirsty. She's thirsty. The weather is nice today. It's warm and sunny. We also use is for singular nouns. This bag is very heavy. My brother is a good tennis player. So our second rule is, for any single thing that is not I, we use is. You are doing great! Now for the final and easiest part. When we want to talk about multiple people or multiple things, we use are. This means for we, you, and they, we always use are. Their short forms look like this. We are becomes rear. You are becomes your. They are becomes their. Now, a very important tip about you. In English, the word you can mean one person or it can mean many people. But it doesn't matter. The verb is always are. That's the rule. Let's go to our examples. My children are at school. They're learning English. Anna and I are good friends. We're neighbors. Look at those bags. They are very heavy. You are a great student. Okay, let's review everything we learned today in just 30 seconds. It was very simple, right? Remember, for I, we use am. The short form is I'm. For he, she, and it, and any singular noun, we use is. The short forms are he's, she's, its. And for we, you, and they, and any plural noun, we use are. The short forms are we're, you're, there. Congratulations! You have just learned the foundation of English grammar. Now, it's your turn to practice. In the comments below, write a simple sentence about yourself using I'm. For example, tell me how you're feeling or what your job is. I will read all the comments. In our next lesson, we are going to learn how to make negative sentences with the verb to be. So, if you don't want to miss the next lesson, make sure to hit the subscribe button and please like this video so it can be shown to more people. Thank you for your time. My name is Sarah, and I will see you in the next video. Take care!